Today topic is differentiation rules. The following are the differentiation rules. Rule number 1, addition subtraction rule. U plus or minus V dash. Dash means a differentiation of U plus or minus V is equal to U dash. U dash means differentiate with respect to U. U dash plus or minus. Using plus we have to take minus, then U dash minus V dash. So U dash plus V dash and U dash minus V dash. Addition and subtraction. Next, rule number 2, product rule. Differentiation of U, V. U and V are the variables. Then first U, differentiation of V plus V, differentiation of U. So U dV plus V du is differentiation of U. Okay. Number 3, quotient rule. Differentiation of U by V. U and V are the variables. Is equal to denominator V, numerator differentiation du, minus numerator U, denominator differentiation dV, whole divided by V square. So differentiation of U by V is V du minus U dV divided by V square. Number 4, chain rule. Dy by dx, first order derivative, is equal to dy by dt into dt divided by dx. Cancelling dt dt, the original one dy by dx. Okay. Number 4 is over. Note, first order derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. The second order derivative of y with respect to x is d square y divided by dx square. The third order derivative of y with respect to x is d power 3 of y divided by dx power 3. Now ex number 10.2. Question number 1. Find the derivative of the following function with respect to corresponding independent variables. Number 1. F of x is equal to x minus 3 sin x. Let f of x is equal to x minus 3 sin x. Y is equal to f of x is y. Y is equal to x minus 3 sin x. Left hand side variable is y. Right hand side variable is x. Therefore, differentiate left hand side variable y with respect to right hand side variable x. So, differentiate y with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to x differentiation is 1 minus 3 is a constant number. So, 3 sin x differentiation is cos x. Sin x differentiation is cos x. Question number 2. Y is equal to sin x plus cos x. Let y is equal to sin x plus cos x. Left hand side variable is y. Right hand side variable is x. So, differentiate left hand side variable with respect to right hand side variable. So, differentiate y with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to sin x differentiation cos x. Cos x differentiation minus sin x. Sin x differentiation cos x. Cos x differentiation minus sin x. So, cos x plus of minus sin x. Plus into minus is minus. Therefore, cos x minus sin x is answer. Equal to x sin x. F of x is equal to x sin x. Let us take f of x is equal to y is equal to x sin x. Differentiate y with respect to right hand side x. dy by dx is equal to using product rule. Differentiation of u v is equal to u dv plus v du. This is formula. Using the formula, first x is u, y is, in this case v is sin x. So, differentiation of uv model. dy by dx is equal to first x, second cos x differentiation gives sin x plus sin x. X differentiation 1. Therefore, x cos x plus sin x is answer. Question number 4. Y is equal to cos x minus 2 tan x. Let y is equal to cos x minus 2 tan x. Differentiate left hand side variable y, right hand side variable is x. Therefore, differentiate y with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to cos x differentiation minus sin x. Minus 2 is a constant number. Tan x differentiation secant square x. Tan x differentiation with respect to x, we have secant square x. So, minus is common. Sin x minus or minus positive. Therefore, plus 2 into secant square x is answer. Question number 5. G of t is equal to t to the power of 3 cos t u v model product rule. Let g of t is equal to t to the power of 3 cos t. Left hand side variable is g, right hand side variable is t. Therefore, differentiate y with respect to t. G dash of t is equal to u v model. So, u t to the power of 3 cos t differentiation minus sin t plus cos t into t power 3 differentiation 3 t power 2. Using the formula differentiation of x power n is equal to n x power n minus 1. Using the formula 3 power t square. Now, t power 3 into minus sin t is minus t power 3 sin t plus 3t square cos t. Now, first we have to take positive 3t square cos t minus t power 3 sin t is answer. G of t is equal to 4 secant t plus tan t. Let g of t is equal to 4 secant t plus tan t. Differentiate left hand side variable g with respect to right hand side variable t. So, g dash of t is equal to 4 is a constant number. So, 4 secant t differentiation secant t tan t. Tan t differentiation secant square t. Sum is over. Next, sum number 7. Let y is equal to e to the power of x sin x. U is e to the power of x. V is sin x. UV model. So, product rule using we get answer. Let y is equal to e to the power of x sin x. Differentiate y with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to first u e to the power of x. Differentiate v is sin x. Differentiate sin x, we get cos x plus v sin x. U differentiation e to the power of x differentiation is e to the power of x. E to the power of differentiation of e to the power of x is equal to e to the power of x. This is formula. Using the formula we have e to the power of x cos x plus sin x into e to the power of x. Common e to the power of x e to the power. Therefore, e to the power of x is common. Remaining part sin x plus cos x or cos x plus sin x. Okay. Next, question number 8. Let y is equal to tan x by x. Let y is equal to tan x by x. U by v of the form differentiation of u divided by v is equal to v du minus u dv divided by v square. This is formula, differentiation formula. U v. In this case, d of differentiation of u by v, quotient rule. Denominator, numerator differentiation minus numerator, denominator differentiation whole divided by v square. Differentiate y with respect to left hand side variable is y, right hand side variable is x. Therefore, x. So, differentiate y with respect to x. We have dy by dx is equal to denominator x. Numerator tan x differentiation gives secant square x minus numerator tan x. Denominator differentiation x with respect to x is 1. Differentiation of x is equal to 1. Okay, dx by dx. Cancelling these two, we get 1. Now, x is secant square x minus tan x into 1 is tan x whole divided by x square is dy by dx. And y is equal to sin x divided by 1 plus cos x. Left hand side variable is y, right hand side variable is x. So, differentiate y with respect to x. We have dy by dx is equal to v du minus u dv divided by v square. Differentiation of u by v is equal to v du minus u dv divided by v square. Okay. Now, denominator 1 plus cos x Numerator differentiation sin x differentiation is cos x minus numerator sin x. Denominator differentiation. Constant number 1 differentiate with respect to x we have 0. Constant differentiation 0 minus cos x differentiation is minus sin x. So 0 minus sin x. Now multiply cos x into 1 plus cos x, we have cos x plus cos square x minus of minus plus sin square x. We know that trigonometric identity sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Using the formula we have cos x plus 1 whole divided by 1 plus cos x. Cos x plus 1 means 1 plus cos x. So 1 plus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x whole square. 1 plus cos x whole square can be written in the form of 1 plus cos x into 1 plus cos x. Cancelling these two 1 plus cos x, we have 1 divided by 1 plus cos x is answer. Next, y is equal to x divided by sin x plus cos x. Let y is equal to x divided by sin x plus cos x. Left hand side variable is y, right hand side variable is x. Therefore, differentiate y with respect to x, we have dy by dx is equal to u by v of the form. We know that differentiation of u by v is equal to v du minus u dv divided by v square. Already some number using the problem number 9. So v du. First v sin x plus cos x. X differentiation is 1 minus x into denominator differentiation. Sin x differentiation cos x. Cos x differentiation is minus sin x. So cos x minus sin x. So divided by denominator sin x plus cos x whole square. V du minus u dv divided by denominator whole square v square. Okay. Now 1 into sin x plus cos x is sin x plus cos x minus x into cos x is minus x cos x minus minus plus x sin x. Okay. Whole divided by sin x plus cos x whole square. Now collect cos x minus x cos x. Cos x minus cos x. Cos x minus x cos x. Then remaining part sin x plus x sin x. Take first two terms. Cos x is common. Remaining part 1 minus sin x. Plus take last two terms. Sin x plus x sin x. 1 plus sin x is common. Therefore 1 plus sin x into sin x. Whole divided by denominator sin x plus cos x whole square. So 1 minus x into cos x plus 1 plus x into sin x whole divided by sin x plus cos x whole square is answer. Next question number 12. Y is equal to sin x divided by x square. Let y is equal to sin x divided by x square. Differentiate y with respect to x, we have dy by dx is equal to u by v of the form. Therefore v x square. Numerator differentiation sin x is cos x minus numerator sin x. Denominator differentiation x square is 2x. Differentiation of x square is equal to 2x. Using the formula d of x power n is equal to nx power n minus 1. Whole divided by denominator whole square. X square whole square is x power 4x minus 2x sin x whole divided by x square. Now numerator common x. Remaining part x cos x minus 2 sin x whole divided by x into x power 3. X cancel. We have x cos x minus 2 sin x whole divided by x power 3. Next, sum number 14. Y is equal to cosecant x cot x is given. Cosecant x, let us take cosecant x is u, cot x is v. Then uv form. Product rule. Let y is equal to cosecant x cot x. Different left hand side variable is y, right hand side variable is x. Therefore, differentiate y with respect to x. We have dy by dx is equal to u dv plus v du formula. Okay, differentiation of uv is equal to u dv plus v du. Using the formula we have first u is cosecant x. Differentiate cot x, we have minus cosecant square x plus cot x into cosecant x. Cot x differentiation is minus cosecant x cot x. cosecant x differentiation is minus a cosecant x cot x, as it is v is cot x. Okay. Now multiplying cosecant x into minus cosecant square x is minus cosecant power 3x plus into minus is minus cosecant x into cot x is cot square x. Therefore cosecant x into cot square x is equal to minus cosecant x means 1 by sin x. In this case cosecant power 3x, so 1 by sin power 3x minus cosecant x is 1 by sin x into cos square x divided by sin square x. Now minus 1 minus cos square x. 1 into cos square x is cos square x. So minus is common. Minus 1 into 1 plus cos square x divided by sin power 3x is answer. Y is equal to x sin x cos x. Product rule. Let y is equal to x sin x cos x. Differentiate y with respect to x. We have dy by dx. First two terms into third term derivative of cos x plus first and last term into differentiation of second term plus sin x, the second and third term sin x into cos x, first term differentiation. Okay, this is product rule. Product rule extension. So x sin x cos x differentiation minus sin x plus x cos x sin x differentiation cos x plus sin x cos x, x differentiation is 1, therefore sin x cos x. Now multiply minus sin x into x sin x is minus x sin square x plus x cos x into cos x is x cos square x plus sin x into cos x. Now take first two terms, common x cos square x minus sin square x plus remaining part sin x into cos x. X, we know that cos square x minus sin square x is cos 2x plus sin x into cos x. Hence the result. Okay. Next question number 16. Y is equal to e to the power of minus x into log x is given using the product rule of two terms. Okay. Let y is equal to e to the power of minus x log x. Differentiate y with respect to x. dy by left hand side variable is y, right hand side variable is x. Therefore differentiate y with respect to x. We have dy by dx is equal to e to the power of minus x log x differentiation 1 by x. Differentiation of log x is equal to 1 by x into u is e to the power of minus x. Differentiation of u is e to the power of minus x is differentiation gives minus e to the power of minus x into log x. Therefore, it is common. 1 by x minus log x is remaining part. Hence, dy by dx is equal to e to the power of minus x into 1 by x minus log x is answer. Next, question number 18. Let y is equal to sin x power naught. X degree. Naught means degree. Sin x degree. First, degree into radian measure. Convert degree measure into radian measure. Convert degree measure into radian measure. Degree measure into radian measure means multiply pi divided by 180. Given degree into given degree is equal to x into pi by 180. Multiply pi by 180 radians. So x into pi is pi x divided by 180. Let y is equal to, therefore y is equal to sin x pi divided by 180. Left hand side variable is y, right hand side variable is x. Pi by 180 is constant. Okay. So pi by 180 outside the differentiation. dy by dx is equal to pi by 180 into sin x differentiation cos x. In this case pi x divided by 180 is given. Therefore pi by 180 into cos of pi x divided by 180 is answer. Question number 20. Draw the function f dash of x if f of x is equal to 2x square minus 5x plus 3. Let f of x is equal to 2x square minus 5x plus 3. F of x means y. So y is equal to 2x square minus 5x plus 3. Left hand side variable is y. Right hand side variable is x. Therefore, differentiate y with respect to x. We have dy by dx is equal to 2 into x square differentiation 2x. Differentiation of x square is equal to 2x. So 2x into 2 is 4x minus 5. X differentiation 1. 5 into 1. Constant differentiation 3 is a constant number. Therefore, differentiate 3 with respect to this. We have 0. Therefore, 4x minus 5 into 1 is 5. So, dy by dx is equal to 4x minus 5 is answer. First, we have to take table. F dash of x is equal to 4x minus 5. X, f dash of x. Middle is 0. Right hand side 1, 2, 3. Left hand side minus 1, minus 2. Apply x is equal to 0. F dash of x is 0 minus 5 is minus 5. Apply x is equal to 1. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Apply x is equal to 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. Apply x is equal to minus 1. Minus 4 minus 5. So minus 9. Apply x is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 into 4 is minus 8. Minus 8 minus 5 is minus 13. Next, draw x and y axis. Scale. On x axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. On y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Now plot the points 0 minus 5 on the graph sheet. 0 minus 5. Next 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. Next 2, 3. 2 is here. 3 on y axis. So 2, 3. Next minus 1 minus 9. Minus 1 minus 9. Okay. Now join the points to get the straight line. That straight line we call as f dash of x equal to 4x minus 5. Hence the result. Homework EX number 10.2, sum number 11, 13, 17 and 19. These 4 sums are today homework. Any doubt? Reply the message. Thank you.